Hi friends, we can create perfect websites using WordPress. And if you love to have a simple but effective website and looking for a multi-purpose WordPress theme that brings very simple and clear looking website, this video is exactly for you. In this video, we are going to use CSys WordPress theme, and it is a responsive multi-purpose WordPress theme that is available at themeforest.net through video description link. But yes, if you want to choose this theme, you have to watch this complete video. I am going to show you the installation process, what is available inside the theme, how you can customize your website using this theme. So let us start installing the CSys WordPress theme. As always, I have this core and fresh installation of WordPress, and I am using a shared hosting plan. You can avail all these things that you need for your website through the links, and I am going to show you the theme pack as well. In the theme pack, I have this installable theme file, the child theme, there's some XML file and other documentation. So let us upload the theme first of all. And I'm going to upload the theme pack since I can see the theme pack is around 35 MB. So I'll choose to upload the theme directly at hosting, and we have access on the all files through the file manager. So you might be having the same cPanel based hosting plan. If not, you may have the wonderful hosting plan, perfect hosting plan for your website through WP Themes website. As I said, you have to follow the video description link. And it is around 36 MB. It got uploaded within seconds. I'm simply going to extract this. Once extracted, we have this CSys directory in which we have all the theme components. Simply delete this tip one, it will save some space at our hosting. Okay, so let us come back to the WordPress installation, and I'll go to the appearance. We have uploaded the theme directly and CSS is here. We can check the details. This is version 1.8.61. So as on date, this is being the latest version. When you will order the theme through the video description link at themeforest.net, you might be getting an updated version subjected to availability. Let us activate the theme. Once activated, we have to install certain plugins in order to get the complete functionality of the theme for our website. So let us begin installing the plugins. 7 plugins has been listed here. CSys CP, WP Bakery is the page builder, Contact Form 7, Envato Market, Layer Sliders, Slider Revolution, and the date. I am selecting all, selecting install, clicking on apply. This may install all the listed plugins, and it is going to activate as well, so it may take a while, and please be patient. Okay, so we have to wait here. Okay, so all plugins have been installed successfully, and we can go to the dashboard now. I'll show you the plugin installer screen again just for reference. If you are getting any error during the plugin installation, if you are attempting to install all plugins in a single attempt, so you can install plugins one by one to avoid any error during the plugin installation process. It is a good idea to install plugins one by one, in fact. So all these plugins have been installed and activated, and now we can proceed for next steps. So what can be the next step? We can take a look at our website first of all. And this is our website that is using CSys WordPress theme, and it don't have any content as of now. So we have target website like any of these, and these are all creative and simple websites, responsive of course, and the retina ready, to the point, and all such things. Okay, so you have multiple options. You can use all these pages, multiple agency pages, creative, photography, about, services, lifestyle, the one page, and also great pages are available with the theme pack. So we can proceed for importing the demo content to get all these pages at our installation. I am going to explore where we can import the demo content. So this is CSys, and import full demo option is here. So I'm going to show you all these tabs, all these new tabs what we have received here. But yes, let us first complete our installation. So import full demos option is here. And here we can select what actually we want to have at our website. Multiple options, as I said, and even you can target our e-commerce website using the CSys WordPress theme. we have this agency architecture, business website options, the career, classic and the classic business options, coffee, creative agency, fashion websites, flat style, lifestyle, modern business, photography, and e-commerce, of course. So I'm choosing this very first one, considering it the default one. You can choose any as per your requirement and choice. So I am going to click this import demo, and it is going to bring all the demo content at our installation. So now demo import process is begin, and the progress bar and this percentage is going to show us what is complete, up to what extent it has been completed in the background. But yes, it is going to take some time depending upon your hosting, internet and all such dependent factors. But you have to show your patience here. It is going very fast. So we can simply wait here until we are getting any message on the screen. Mostly we are waiting for the success screen. Okay, meanwhile, we can explore the pages. Okay, so elements and all these things going to come at our installation. It is going to a complete website in all respects, of course. So, of course, we need to put our content. And okay, so it's imported now. It is very wonderful. So it took hardly a minute in importing the demo content and installing the theme and all. So now I can show you the website. First of all, I'm going to refresh this page, and then we can proceed for the next things. Yes, so this new website is here. Without any doubt, without any fault, we have installed the complete website. And some images has not been provided in actual, but yes, the placeholder images are well available. We can simply replace these placeholder images with our own images, and our website is going to complete. We have pages, internal pages. What I have selected, I have received here, and we can simply target a very, very easy and clean website using this CC's WordPress theme. Now I'm taking you to the backend again, and I'm going to show you what is available. Import single pages option is here, just in case if you want to import templates. So import singles options are here, and you can read all these, like no existing post, pages, category, images, custom types, and any other data will be deleted or modified. Here you can import single or multiple pages, so you can simply choose which page you want to import at your website. So it is a very good thing. You can import only chosen and selected pages, so that you may not clutter your installation with the demo pages and demo websites, and it is going to be clean, and you are going to import only the selected pages that you actually need for your website. It is a very, very good option that is available with the theme. Okay, so you can use this, and on the options, the options is theme panel in fact, and it is going to give us all the access through which we can handle the rest of the things for our website. Demo importer we have already used. I am going to show you quickly. In the general setting, we have the layout selections and the custom links, the logo and all the logo types and the CSS and all. Header setting gives us header top axis, main area, header presets, the drop down and the mobile menu. Further main content settings are here, so we can decide the main content, heading, bold color, and the contact fast, accent color. We can change the main content and the typography here, so you can explore all these things. And since the theme is available at the themeforit.net, what you can do for completing your website, simply follow the video description link, buy the theme at themeforest.net through video description link, and once you buy the theme through the link, the iCreate platform is going to be free for you. I mean, you can access the premium features, like you can connect with the mentor for completing your website. So it is a good idea to buy the theme and connect with a mentor to complete your website. Okay, so this is the theme, and it has been developed by the Traminium Tritam. Okay, so they are elite author at themeforest.net. This theme particularly CSS came into existence in 2018, and regular updates for this theme is also going on. So as we installed, we have received all the contents and the installation remains successful. So now we can conclude that the theme is going to helpful in creating an agency business website or simple looking, clean, responsive website. So this is backend again, and through these backend screens, you can set all the things like footer, page setting, blog, portfolio, staff post, and all these options can be explored here. Just in case if you need any support regarding this customization and all, you can simply write in the comment section of this video, or you can join the iCreate program or start chatting here directly through a mentor. So you can also schedule a chat discussion with a mentor in the mentor connect options. So all these options are available for you. You can simply create your website. You don't need any technical knowledge for doing all these things. We are going to support you completely in making your website, so don't worry. And you just need to buy the theme at the theme forest. Nothing else you need to pay. So it is really great option, and you are going to get an authentic theme at themeforest.net, and it is really very good. Okay, now we can proceed further. I'm going to show you the for portfolio editing, portfolio sections at your website. You can edit all these things, or you are going to delete all these things until you are not using at your live website. So either you have to edit the existing pages, you can add new portfolio depending upon your choice, you can go for. But don't keep any demo data. I'm simply saying this. Staffs, partners, and the career position. Career option is also here, so you can add new career. Further, I can see nothing is special here. So all default things, WP Bakery and layer slider, just in case if it is being used at your demo that you have selected. So you can edit the layer sliders. And the same you can do in the slider revolution if it is being used at your demo. Okay, so slider revolution and layer slider is available here. You have to use only any of these. So you don't need to keep active both of these until you actually need this. But yes, it is recommended to have only one. Okay, and the next, the grid option is here. You can use this grid option, and you can use this. Okay, what is this? Advanced grid. Okay, so that is fine if it is being used. And finally, you can edit the content using the page builder. So the backend I have shown you, and for editing the page content, you can simply open the page and edit the content using WP Bakery Page Builder. So I have shown multiple times how you can edit the content and WP Bakery Page Builder, and it is very simple to use and easy page builder. You can completely edit your website using this page builder. Either through the backend, you can edit through the pencil links, and this is editing link, or you can use the backend editor as per your convenience. You can use the front-end and backend editor. I mostly prefer the front-end editor because it shows what actually you are editing. So what you have to keep in mind, you have to use same dimension of image, same length of text that has been used in the demo content, so that you may maintain the design integrity of the website. Rest of the things will be fine. And just in case if you want to remove any section, you can simply remove this, remove any particular section by using this cross button. So all great in this CSS WordPress theme, and you can start creating a suitable and fully responsive business agency website using this theme. And I believe you find this video helpful in understanding the theme features and the installation process of CSS WordPress theme. In the next video, I am coming with more resources for your WordPress website, and I believe you are watching videos coming on this channel and you are already a subscriber, and I am bringing very wonderful things for your website. So keep watching, keep building. Thank you.